Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your order with Petco, full guide step by step clearly. To cancel your order with Petco, start by visiting the Petco website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for the section labeled Order History or My Orders. Select the specific order you wish to cancel. Check the status of your order to confirm if it is eligible for cancellation. If the order is still processing, you will see an option to cancel. Click on the Cancel Order button. Follow any prompted steps to finalize your cancellation request. You may receive a confirmation email regarding the cancellation. If you do not see the cancellation option, contact Petco's customer service. Have your order number ready when you reach out for assistance. Customer service can help you with any issues related to your order cancellation. For orders that have already shipped, you may need to initiate a return instead. Review Petco's return policy for further instructions on returning items. Keep an eye on your account and email for updates on your cancellation status. This ensures you are informed about any changes or confirmations. Canceling your order with Petco can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Make sure to act quickly if you change your mind about your order. This will help you avoid any delays in the cancellation process. Always double-check your order details to ensure accuracy. Keeping records of your order and cancellation will be useful for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.